Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to fix Coinbase Buy Dissable error or why you're facing restriction on your Coinbase account. So I'll be showing you various methods on how you can fix this kind of error. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. This kind of error usually occurs whenever there is a suspicious activity on your Coinbase account or if you are a victim of scam. And the other thing might be your information breach and another major issue might be your transaction issue. If your account holds any pending transaction, then it might be one of the reasons. You must make sure that none of your transaction is pending or any other payment is pending. So these are the reasons for your Coinbase Buy Dissable error. So in order to fix this kind of error, first thing what you can do is you can set up two-factor authenticator. So in order to set it up, it's very simple. All you need to do is log into your Coinbase account. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. So after that, you'll be directed to the profile page, and over there you need to click on settings. Once you click on settings on the other interface, you need to scroll down, and right in between you'll have an option as two-factor authenticator. So right at the bottom you can see there is an option as authenticator, which you need to select it. So while you're setting up, next, in order to confirm, a verification code will be sent through an SMS or an email. So you need to confirm your verification code by entering it right over here and then tap on confirm. So after that, using your authenticator app, scan the QR code. So after that, you need to click on enable, which is right at the bottom. So that is how you can set up two-factor authenticator. Apart from this, what else you can do is you can change your password of your Coinbase account. So in order to change your password, once again head back to your home page, click on the profile icon in the top right. As soon as you click on profile icon, next thing, click on settings. Once you click on settings, so right in between you'll have an option as passwords, and in the right hand side corner you have an option as change password, where you need to click on it. Next, you'll be redirected to the page where you need to create a new one. First of all, for the confirmation, you need to enter your old password or the current password and then type in the password. And once again, for the confirmation, you need to retype in, and if you have already enabled your two-factor authenticator, you need to enter the code that will be sent through an SMS or an email before you make changes. So once you receive the verification code, you'll need to enter it right over here. In case if you're still unable to fix it, then the last alternative is that you can contact the customer service. So that is how you can fix your Coinbase Buy Dissable error or the restriction that you're facing on Coinbase account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.